So now for the main reason we're in Buffalo Gap. Not so much historic as legendary, and it's one of the most famous ranches in Texas. A restaurant folks will drive a half an hour to just for dinner is pretty special. But one folks will drive 2 to 3 hours for? Well, that's Perini Ranch Steakhouse. The ranch started way back in '52, with the steakhouse first opening in '83. And that 30 years of flavor is literally fired into every delectable piece of meat Tom Perini serves. Okay, so this is Tom Perini, one of the most famous steak cooks in all of Texas. So, tell me, Tom, what's your secret?
We use good beef. Quality is always the most important thing.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it.
And welcome to the ranch.
Well, thank you very much. Yes, the Texas hospitality around here is as thick as the steaks, which are all cooked over mesquite wood with the sides seasoned in cast iron skillets.
We cook the old-time way. I am not a chef. I learned kind of the hard way, and the story I tell, if you put too much salt in beans, the cowboys will tell you. So I want I want it to look good, I want it to taste good, and I want you to be able to recognize it. I hate to even say this word, but we don't have a steak sauce. We don't do any of that. I mean, we want the beef to speak for itself.
You're my kind of man.
Good.
My kind of man.
Good.
And that steak speaks loudly all over the world. So what's the farthest you've ever heard of someone driving just to eat here?
Well, you know, we were laughing. Well, driving, we've had them come in from all over. The farthest we had was in an airplane, and we had a client that flew from Tokyo
to eat
have
here.
lunch. Yeah,
Oh,
he did.
wow.
I mean that, and then he went back the next day. So I thought that's
That's incredible. Yeah, that's a little bit flattering.
It's just pure Texana, and the food's good, and the service is great. And
So basically, if you're within 100 miles of this place, you're gonna stop. What's your steak of choice?
ribeye,
Oh.
medium rare with Tom's rub on it. It's just unbelievable.
So what brings you to Perini Ranch this evening?
Well, we are camping at the Abilene State Park, but we camp because Perini Ranch is just down the road.
I like it. So the camping is just an excuse to get to eat here?
Exactly.
Now, while steak may be the top of the food chain here, it's not all they do. And tonight, they're even frying up some catfish. But I had my mind made up a long time ago. I am taken aback at the beauty of what is in front of me. I got a chopped blue cheese salad, some of their green chili hominy, but here's the star of this show, the prime rib steak. Perfectly crusted around the outside, pink and warm in the middle. I don't even think I needed teeth for that bite. That's how tender that was. And some people may be scared of prime rib because they think it's fatty. But if the fat's cooked right, it just sort of melts like butter into the meat, gives it this amazing beefy flavor. There's not much that's more Texan than a big old juicy steak. It's like tasting a piece of Texas. This right here is one of the most delicious steaks I've ever found in the Lone Star State. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.